Let's see how to remove password protection from a Microsoft Word document. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And let's go ahead and open our document that is password protected. And as you can see, this document requires us to type in our password. Now, let's say that you have access to that password and you want to remove password protection for this document. Now, to do that, simply click on the File tab. Now that you have access to the document, click on Info, and you will see that the Protect Document option is enabled. Now we can simply disable that by clicking on this drop-down list and clicking on Encrypt with Password. And remove password protection. Simply remove your written password and your access to the document should now be free. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.